Good morning. Today we see an introduction to income tax. Income tax in its present form came into force from 1st April 1962. Before this, the Indian Income Tax Act was in force. Tax is one of the major sources of revenue for the government. The responsibility for collection of income tax rests with the central government. This tax is laid and collected under the Income Tax Act 1961. A tax is a compulsory financial charge imposed upon taxpayers by government organization in order to fund government spending in various public expenditure. Tax money used to strengthen the defense of our country, developing the infrastructure and transport facility, providing free medical facility and education, power generation, etc. Tax system. Tax system is said to be a progressive tax, digressive tax, proportional tax, and regressive tax. Progressive tax means tax rate increases with the increase in income. Digressive tax means system means a progressive up to certain level and fixed at a flat rate of tax. Professional Proportional tax means it is fixed tax rate to all individual income, whereas regressive tax means common tax rate but greater impact on lower income than wealthy. This tax system of regressive tax has been practiced in India. Classification of tax. Government imposes two types of taxes, namely direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes one where burden of tax is directly on the taxpayer. Income tax is one of the form of direct taxes. Tax is a financial charge imposed by the government on income, commodity, or activity, whereas indirect tax is paid by the person other than the person who utilizes the services. Assessee. According to section 2 of 7, assessee means a person by whom any tax or any other sum of money is payable under this act is called an assessee. Assessee is classified into three types, which is called as ordinary assessee, representative assessee, and assessee in default. According to section 2 of 9, assessment year. Assessment year means the period of 12 months commencing on the first day of April to 31st March. As such, it is known as financial year. The present assessment year is 2023 to 24, that is commencing on 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024. Previous year. According to section 3, as the word previous means coming before, hence it can be simply said that the previous year is a financial year preceding the assessment year. The present previous year is 2022 to 23, that is 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023. Person. The person, it's a very wide term and embraces in itself the following. There are six categories of persons. The first one is individual. It refers to a natural human being, whether male or female, minor or major. Next one, Hindu undivided family. It is a relationship created due to operation of Hindu law. The manager of Hindu undivided family, that is shortly called as HUF, is called Karta. Generally, the senior-most person of the family is being treated as a Karta. It can be a male or female, and its members are called co-partners. Company. It is an artificial person registered under Indian Companies Act 1956 or any other law. Firm. It is an entity which comes into existence as a result of partnership agreement. Association of person. When person combines together to carry on joint venture for a particular period of time is treated as an association of person. Body of individual. A body of individual cannot have a non-individual as its member. Only a natural human being can be member of a body of individual. Then the local authority, municipality, panchayat, cantonment board, port trust, etc. are called local authority. The final one is artificial judicial person. Statutory corporation like life insurance corporation, university are called artificial judicial person. Tax liabilities for the assessment year 2023 to 24. Generally, it is classified into three categories: individual and HUF below 60 years, individual and HUF 60 years to 80 years, individual and HUF above 80 years. The tax rate for below 60 years 6 or is said to be up to 2 lakh 50, it's nil. From 2 lakh 50,001 to 5 lakh it is 5%, rupees 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh it is 20%, and above 10 lakh it is 30%. Similarly, it differs from person on the category of 60 to 80 and above 80. Surcharge. Surcharge is in addition to the tax. For the income category of 50 lakh to 1 crore, the tax rate will be 10%. And for income of 1 crore to 2 crore, it is 15 percentage. 2 crore to 5 crore, it is 25%. Above 5 crore, it is 37 percentage. In addition to that, health and education tax will be charged at 4% on the total of tax and surcharges. And thank you for listening. Thank you.